Hello prijatelji! Today we're gonna make Maneštra. Maybe you know Minestrone, it's the Italian version. So today I'm gonna show you the Balkan version. Alright, we start off with peeling 2 onions and dicing it into nice cubes. In the meantime, here's a story from my childhood. So my grandma always made Maneštra, it's like her favorite dish and I love it. I mean, I wish mine would be as good as hers. So please, let me know in the comments which dish from my grandma is your favorite one. Okay, next we're gonna slice up some sausage, but you can easily replace it with bacon or any other meat. Or you can even leave out the meat if you don't eat meat. The good taste doesn't come from meat, it comes from the love and passion you put into your food while cooking. Here's my pro tip for peeling garlic. You just give it a smack and the skin will easily peel off.
Maybe it's not married. Maybe it's love.
Peeled nicely, we can slice it and finely mince it. Next up, we take a big pot and pour in a tablespoon of olive oil or any other oil and add everything we chopped up earlier, and then we're gonna fry it. When the onions are nice and brown and the bottom of the pan looks like this, you can add the beans. I used dry ones, so I soaked them the night before, but feel free to use canned beans. We also gonna add 2 cans of tomatoes. I used whole tomatoes because of COVID-19 I didn't have much to choose from, but you can also use fresh tomatoes or tomato sauce. It's your dish, do whatever you like. Then we're gonna add our spices. We're gonna use 3 leaves of bay leaf, some pepper, I used about 2 or 3 teaspoons, and we're gonna add some salt. Add as much salt as you like and don't add too much. It's easier to add salt than removing salt from a soup. While the heat is coming up, we can prepare our next ingredient. So I'm gonna use a bowl of fresh and young potatoes with the skin on, and we're gonna dice them into inch-sized pieces. Then we're gonna add those to the pot and give it a good mix. We can proceed to our last step, which is chopping some herbs. I'm gonna use some fresh coriander from my faux video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. And we're gonna roughly chop them and add those as well. Now we're gonna stir everything one last time and leave it on a low heat for at least 1 hour. So my grandma always said, Maneštra is the best on the 3rd day, but this smells too good for waiting 3 days. So I only waited 1.5 hours. Okay, the Maneštra is done, so we can take it off the heating plate and we can serve it. So I'm gonna scoop it in a bowl and that's it. You can also serve it with bread, but I like mine as it is. Oh guys, this smells the same as my grandma made it. So I'm not gonna wait much. If you like this recipe, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on your taste. See you next time.